some numbers for you this morning. According to the CDC, women are 33% more likely to visit a doctor more than men and nearly 100% better at maintaining and screening preventative care. This morning, we're hoping to shift that statistic with a wellness and men's health fair happening in the capital city. Joining us this morning with more on that event is John Smith and Nicola Hall with EBR Schools. So we always talk about men's health fairs happening in the city, right? But this one is a very special and specific one, very different than what we're used to talking about on the morning show. Talk to me about that.
Yeah, so just a quick data facts to throw out there. So we have almost 6,000 employees and 1,078 are males, right? And we are really trying to focus or emphasize on men's health. So we've had health fairs in the past and this has been successful, but we've always kind of had a generalization of a health fair. But this time we want to pay some emphasis on important information, important attention to men's health because they're part of the recruitment efforts and retention efforts from EBR HRs.
So then just to clarify, this wellness fair is only for those who are in the EBR school system, support staff, teachers, all of those people, right? That is correct,
because we love our EBR staff. All EBR staffs are, they're very essential to us. But this time around, yes, we want the females to come out too, but the emphasis is to get an increase of participation from the men, from our EBR male employees.
And Mr. Smith, I was talking to you earlier, and this is a very beautiful event that kind of stemmed from a tragic event, right? So kind of talk to me about that and how this kind of came to pass.
Yeah, so EBR has experienced some losses in its leadership ranks that were males, and this is kind of what was the genesis of this. So let's remind men that it's important for them to come out to take care of advantage of things like this so they can be there. They can be there for their families, they can see their children, grandchildren grow up and do all these great things. But if you don't take care of your health, then you're not able to be there. So this is a kind of a pull rather than a push to the men to come join me because I'll be there.
Yes.
And that is the underlying message in all of this, right?
Yes.
Be there.
Yes. The superintendent will be there also because this is also part of his initiative from an operational excellence. And we want to show our team, our staff, that we do appreciate them. And yes, females, we tend to take care of ourselves a little bit more. Love you. But we trying to, get everybody to be a part of the same space and push the same agenda from an initiative standpoint because we have to do better in terms of retaining our health and retaining our good talented folks, and we have to just tap into other demographics, not just the females but also the males. That's a part of our team.
And what a way to show your staff that they are fully supported. So what can those who are going to attend this event expect?
Go ahead.
Okay. So we're focusing on 4 things. I'm super excited about this. So there's health. So we have like BRG and Oshner who will be joining us. We also have the nutrition part that we have 3 O'Clock Project, Walls Project. We also focusing on the wellness EAP service, right? And mental health and gym membership, etc. So we're literally looking at a holistic approach on how we could best support all employees, but focusing on men's health and to try to, get them engaged into the preventative maintenance that we ourselves as females take care of, so they themselves could take care of themselves for the entire school year.
And then the best part about this is that you guys are offering this to, sometimes people don't go to the doctor because maybe they don't have the insurance or the resources to do that, but all of this is free for them. And for those who do want to attend, my last question for you is, what time is it happening, when is it happening, and where?
Yeah, so CTEC building.
CTEC building.
This Monday. This is the 31st of July, and it's from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. and it's going to be at 2101 Lobdell Avenue. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Yes.
And then we will have this information for you as well on our website, that is brproud.com. Hopefully everyone comes out. Again, this is a specialized event for those who work with EBR school system, just for you, and it is free. Thank y'all so much for joining us this morning.